Sir Alex Basilio.
Thank you, Madam Mayati ng Sanplan. So, tapasakot ni Kablaw, ada namin to our Honorable Mayor, Bongbari Jr., Bongbari ni Mayor Doranti Bantali Jr., ito bayan, from the Sangguniang Bayan, ito po, by Vice Mayor Director Ignacio, Mother Palio, nagitoy, new elected inducted officials in the Bogor Association of Chapter. Dan everyone nagitoy, palamaka may kayo ng iyang indang. Nagitoy, Spooky Band. Ako ba kay padala ng Spooky Boys Band. Anyway, kasi siguro nagtulungan na, so once again, padatayami, bayan pagsama tayo, hindi pipikayan tayo so antay pa naman, pagsama tayo lahat. Yan. So, dako na yaman kada kayo amin, nagkaroon dito yung asosisyon na inimbitar na kami. So, awan the invitation nyo, kami na kaumay. Yan. So, congratulations manan ito yung association. So, ada tipasik na kariman ko, i-share ko ikaw yung trabaho ito. Ada to all of you working here in abroad, particularly here in Hong Kong, I want to express my admiration for the dedication and hard work. Your contribution not only support your family, but also great benefit to the Philippines as a whole. Your sacrifice and efforts are truly appreciated. Always remember that your resilience and determination inspire others in the commitment of your work relates the base of Filipino values. Take care of yourself and stay connected with your loved ones. You are called now the new modern day heroes. So once again, congratulations ada tayo amin and mabuhay sa lahat. Salamat po.